can you tell us about your service and product more details for the audience?
Okay, sure. First of all, thank you for having this session. Datatex as an organization, we have got software solutions for the textile and apparel industry. These software solutions are offered on a technologically most advanced platform called as NOW. It's a pure Java application which can be hosted on-premise or it can be hosted on cloud. That is choice of our customer based on their IT policy. In terms of the software solutions that we provide, we have got a state-of-the-art ERP where you can manage your day-to-day business transactions like customer forecast, projection orders, actual buyer POs, bill of material entries, planning your purchases, planning your production, doing the inventory, taking care of your production transactions across, let us say, sewing to finishing, from spinning till fabric manufacturing, and that can be for any kind of fabric or any kind of garment. That means it can be a knit product, can be woven product, can be a suit, can be a trouser, can be a t-shirt, can be a jacket. It can be any product within the textile and apparel value chain. So this ERP takes care of financials, HR, quality, and plant maintenance as well. So together the ERP forms the basis of the software solution. In addition to the ERP, we have got advanced planning and optimization solutions. These are visual dashboards where you can plan your production to optimize your production capacities to the best possible way, where you can define customer specific logics, like I have got multiple plants. In one plant I prefer shirts, in other plant I prefer trousers, or in one plant I prefer Zara orders, other plant I prefer Bonobos orders, depending on how the customer compliance work. Within a particular plant, then you can fine plan it. You can say that I have got 20 lines. Out of the 20 lines, 4 lines I want to prefer a specific kind of, let us say, polo having box placket. Other lines I prefer a pajama or a trouser. So you can predefine these logics. Based on the theory of constraints, the solution would plan the best optimized shop floor for you. And this planning can be for spinning, weaving, knitting, processing, or garment manufacturing. So anywhere you can configure the solution and you can use it for your business. And finally, we also have additional applications like workflow approvals, fabric inspection solutions, or MES solutions or Industry 4.0 solutions, which again are configured based on your organization or individual organization. So that's what essentially we do, where we bring in the globally the most advanced technological application. We implement it using textile and apparel consultants, and then create a specific platform for each customer so that it can manage or it can maintain your organizational data on a single platform.
Okay, thank you. Can you tell us actually ERP solution and software, this is something more expensive. So indicators of cost with the other provider, how do you say your service is more, I will say it is more competitive, you can give them more cost effectively?
Sure. So first of all, the way our licensing policy works, we don't charge every individual named user. Our licensing policy is concurrent user licenses. So that means if you have, let us say, 200 total staff who can use the system, you don't have to buy 200 licenses. You can buy only as many number of licenses as the concurrent logins would be. So you can buy 50 licenses, all 200 can use it, but at any point in time, only 50 can be logged into the system. So you don't buy excess. That is number one. Number two, our planning solutions. We don't charge by sewing line, or we don't charge by your number of sewing machines or number of floors. No, we charge by number of users for that particular planning solution. So we really optimize on the cost of the product. Second is the implementation. As I mentioned, we work only for the textile and apparel industry. So our implementation cycles are small and they are executed along with deploying the specific consultants. So your efficiency of implementation and your accuracy of implementation is really at high level, which gives you your return on investment on a much faster than any other application.
Okay. Then tell us about the feedback. What Bangladesh users? You are giving the service with many of the organization. So what feedback you are receiving for your ERPs or this service?
Okay. So in terms of Bangladeshi user, if you say particularly, we have been present in Bangladesh for more than 20 years. Okay, we have got very old customers who are using this solution very effectively. They have used our previous AS400 system, and they are also now using our latest web-based software. Bangladeshi users, I feel, are very meticulous. They work hard for sure. They have attention to detail because the customer that Bangladeshi organizations cater to are very price sensitive customers. The order quantities are large, the value addition is moderate, but that eventually results into lot of I would say multiple destination, multiple price points, multiple ways of value additions, etc. So that requires lot of data entry, if you say typically. With our solutions, where we optimize these data entries, we get a very positive feedback from Bangladeshi users, where they say that now I can do my job, but in much lesser time, but with a higher accuracy. So it is really encouraging when we see Bangladeshi users versus other users. I would say, as far as apparel is concerned or textiles is concerned, user maturity in terms of system usage is overall similar. But given the complexity of Bangladeshi organizations, the order volumes or the style variety that you have, I think Bangladeshi users are doing a wonderful job.